So we're now going to look at an inverse proportion question, exercise 1B, question 1A. I've already typed the data into the calculator. And like I said, balancing that, doing it by hand and understanding it and actually seeing the visual with the calculator and getting both to support each other is important. This time the stat plot will be fine. I'm going to use zoom this time, zoom 9. And we can see that it goes downwards like a skateboard ramp, I suppose. And we've still got the y equals on from the straight line from before. So we can either clear it, or I'm going to come across here to the equals and press enter so that we don't see it anymore. If we go back to graph, then we can see there it is. And if we try and find a regression equation, there actually isn't any for an inverse, which is a little bit annoying. But if you actually read question 2D, it talks about doing 1 over it, 1 over x. So I'm going to come into edit again, and we could do 1 over x by hand, but I'm going to be a little bit lazy and come up to the top of list 3, and I want to do 1 divided by the x value, and well, the x value is list 1, so 1 divided by list 1. If we then graph list 3, which is our new x value, against list 2, then let's see what that's going to do. So we're going to go into stat plot. Again, just going to leave that one there for now, but turn it off. And I'm going to go into plot 2. And I'm going to turn that one on. And it's now list 3 against list 2. Again, I'm going to use zoom stat to make it a bit easier. And we can see it makes a straight line. Okay, well, we know we can do a regression equation for a straight line. So there it is, number 4. But just remember, it's list 3 with list 2. So just got to be mindful of this, and that helps to write that down either on the question or on an exam paper or test paper. Store regression equation, well, can you remember what that is? That's right, alpha f4. And we're going to go y2 this time. And if we press enter, we can see it's a perfect match. So therefore, if we know that when we do the 1 over x, we actually get 80, then it must be 80 over x must be the original. So let's see if that's actually going to be the case. So I'm going to go back into the first one, turn it back on. The one we just did with the switched over, I'm going to now turn off. And it just takes a bit of time to do all this. Obviously I'm doing it fairly quickly, just to make sure that you can get through it and the video is not too long. So there we are, back to the original. I'm going to come down here, I'm going to turn this one off. And as I said, we reckon it's going to be 80 over x. Fraction button is alpha x, a nice little shortcut. 80 over x. And let's see if that now matches. It does perfectly. And we can actually go into table and we can see those same values. Now that doesn't help me, but if I come on to 11, see up here it says press plus for this scale. So if I come up to here and do it by going up by 1s, we can see that we can now compare to when x was 2. Yep, there's the 40. When x was 5, yep, there's the 16. 8 was 10. And if we scroll down to 20, there's many other ways as well, which I'll show you later videos, but 20 is 4. It's a perfect match. And hopefully you found that useful. Thanks for watching.